Welcome to Summarize AI, your intelligent AI-powered document assistant. In this quick walkthrough, I'll guide you through the user registration process. On visiting the application, users are welcomed by a clean, modern interface with two options: sign in or create account. Let's go ahead and register. Clicking Create Account reveals a simple form. Here, I'll enter an email and a secure password like SecurePass123. Password rules are clearly displayed to ensure strong account protection. Next, I'll click Send Verification Code. Our system instantly emails a unique 6-digit OTP, valid for 5 minutes and limited to 3 attempts, which helps protect against brute force attacks. After entering the OTP, Summarize AI verifies the user, creates the account using Firebase authentication, and stores the details securely in Firestore. After successfully registering, the user logs in using their email and password. Upon login, the main dashboard appears with a simple, user-friendly interface. From here, users can upload the file they want to analyze. I'll go ahead and choose a Word document and click Generate Summary. Once uploaded, Summarize AI processes the document using advanced AI models. Whether it's a short report or a complex file with over 100 pages, the system quickly understands the content and generates a clear, concise summary. This is especially useful for documents that are dense or difficult to understand. Summarize AI transforms large, technical content into bite-sized, easy-to-learn insights. After reviewing the summary, users also have the option to download it as a PDF for offline use or future reference. But that's not all. Users can also ask questions about the uploaded file. For example, if there's something unclear in the content. The AI will analyze the document contextually and provide accurate, meaningful answers in real time. All summaries and chat conversations are securely stored in Firebase Firestore, so users can revisit their data anytime they return to the app. With Summarize AI, understanding complex documents has never been easier or faster. Once a summary is generated in Summarize AI, both the summary and the question-answer conversation are automatically stored securely in Firebase Firestore. These entries appear in the left sidebar as a history list. Each item in the sidebar shows the file name and type, making it easy for users to recognize their previous uploads, whether it's a Word document, PDF, image, or even an Excel or CSV file. To view the full interaction history, users can simply click the View button located below each file entry. This opens up the original summary along with the Q&A chat for that specific file, making it convenient for users to revisit and understand their earlier insights. Now, let's explore the Image Summarizer feature. Here, users can upload any image that contains text, such as a scanned document, a textbook photo, or a screenshot. Once the image is uploaded, our system uses optical character recognition, OCR, via PyTesseract, a Python wrapper for the Tesseract engine, to accurately extract the text content from the image. After the text extraction is complete, users can click Generate Summary. The AI processes the extracted content and produces a concise, meaningful summary, just like it does with documents. This summary is also stored in Firebase, but marked as an image file type. This organization helps the user easily identify different file types in the history: images, PDFs, Word documents, or spreadsheets, making the system more intuitive and user-friendly. Now, let's try uploading a PDF file. Just like before, I'll click Generate Summary. Summarize AI scans through the entire PDF, understands the context, and provides a clear, digestible summary. This is especially helpful for students or professionals dealing with lengthy research papers or reports. The user can download the summary as a PDF or continue to chat with the AI about specific parts of the content. For example, they might ask, "What are the key findings from this document?" Or, "Explain Section 3 in simple terms." The AI processes these questions using the extracted content and provides accurate, context-aware answers in real time. This seamless integration of summarization, question answering, and history tracking makes Summarize AI a powerful tool for document understanding, whether the file is a Word doc, image, PDF, or spreadsheet. In summary, Summarize AI not only generates high-quality summaries but also stores your entire interaction history, supports intelligent Q&A, and provides a unified dashboard where users can revisit and download summaries anytime, all backed by secure Firebase storage and AI technology.